Alright, so the runway is set for the Dyson and the Bissell test. So we're going to be starting with the Bissell SurfaceSense right here that I just got from Lowe's, and the Dyson DC25 Animal, which I got off eBay 4 years ago. We're going to be using that in a very dirty area in my house right here, which is where my dog sheds a lot, which we happen to be in my dad's office right here, and there's probably a bunch of dog hair and stuff on the floor, and this is where my dog hangs out, my dad, while he works. So we're going to be starting with the Bissell right here. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. It's got an auto sense feature. It's really cool to see. You get the cord in here. So let's go ahead and see what it can do. Getting stuff. Picking stuff up. Can't let that get caught. There goes the sensing feature. All right, excellent job for the Bissell. So as you can see right here, this is how much it picked up. Well, oh, I see. It's probably a little, I mean, it's been, wow, I'm surprised I got that. Wow, I'm surprised you got that much because it's been a week since our cleaning lady's vacuumed in here with this thing. So now we'll go ahead and try the Dyson. After I move this out of here. Cord. Hold on, guys, let me get this cord out of the way. Actually, I'll plug this. I gotta hurry up because my camera will run out of room. Alright, I'm just gonna leave this unplugged for now. Alright, now we will go ahead and try the Dyson right here. We're gonna go ahead and, but here we go with the Dyson DC25. Here we go. Suction's pretty strong because I just replaced it with genuine Dyson filters. There, pick the back up and vacuum under that. Oh yeah. Oh wait, I saw something. There, you got it. Good, we're still recording, the red light's on. boy. Nicer boy. All right. Well, the Dyson definitely took longer than the Bissell SurfaceSense because there were some areas that I forgot to go over. Take the canister off here. Well, there is a little less in the canister right here. So, well, if you, oh, I see. The Bissell SurfaceSense did an even better job because I guess the Bissell wins. I'm kind of surprised because the suction on the Dyson right here is more powerful. Is a lot more powerful. Let me turn on and show you. It's pretty powerful because I just replaced it with genuine Dyson filters. So, well, that's it for the, let me bring it out here. Well, that's it for the Dyson DC25 versus the Bissell SurfaceSense Allergen Pet Lift-Off Pet. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, subscribe for more.